How to add watermark to YouTube videos. Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to easily add a watermark to your YouTube videos. So you may have noticed a square icon in the top right or the bottom right corner of some videos, which could be a subscribe button or the channel name. This icon is called a watermark, and I'll guide you through the process of adding one to your own videos. So first of all, open your browser and then go to youtube.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now once you're on this site, click on the profile icon and then select YouTube Studio from the drop-down menu. In the Studio, navigate to the customization option on the left side. That is between the On and Audio Library option. Tap on it. Now from this page, scroll down and here you will see the option of Video Watermark, and you can see the indication that the watermark will appear on your videos in the right-hand corner of the video player. You can upload any image you have, but make sure that it's between 115 to 150 pixels in size. And after uploading your image, choose when you want the watermark to appear. You can set it to show only at the end of the video and at a custom time or throughout the entire video. Once you've made your selections, click on Save and Publish in the top right corner to apply your changes. And that's it for today's video. So this was all about it. If you found this information helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.